Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. In how many ways can 8 directors, the vice chairman and the chairman of a firm be seated at a round table if chairman has to sit between the vice chairman and a specific director? Okay, so here we have 8 directors, 1 vice chairman and 1 chairman. Okay, so 1 chairman, 1 vice chairman and 1 specific director. Here it is clearly mentioned specific. 1 specific director has to sit on a round table, and we need to find out how many ways they can sit. So because here we are talking about round table, one very important concept if you are not already aware. So on a round table, if there are n person, okay, if there are n persons sitting on a round table, total number of ways will be n minus 1 factorial. Okay, let's keep this thing in mind. If you are not sure how this is coming, you can further read more about this. Let's focus to the problem. So here in this case, on a circular table, 1 chairman is sitting in center, sitting between 1 vice chairman and 1 specific director. Okay, so let's name this director as D1, and then there are 7 other directors. So here we say it's 7D. So in how many ways they can sit? So see, the trick is, let's group these 3 people. Let's group these 3 people and treat them as 1 people. Okay, then on this table there are 8 person, right? We are treating this group as 1. So there are 8 person. So 8 person, as we saw, can sit in 8 minus 1 way, 8 minus 1 factorial ways, right? So this is 7 factorial. And the one group that we are talking about, we have highlighted in red. These 3 people internally can sit in 2 ways. So D and VC can interchange their place, right? So these 3 guys can sit in 2 ways and the entire group can sit in 7 ways. So answer for this question will be 7 factorial into 2. Okay. Now let's say, so this is the answer. Now let's say this specific word is not given. Okay. If there are 8 directors, 1 VC and 1 chairman, and VC and chairman has to sit together, specific director is not given, then what will be the case? So again, if we see, let's draw this again. So this VC and this chairman, okay, let's consider them as 1 unit or 1 guy, and then we have 8 directors. So now in total at this table 9 people are sitting. So if 9 people are there, in how many ways can we arrange them? 9 minus 1 factorial equals to 8 factorial. And this group, this subgroup that we have created, assumed as 1 unit, the chairman and VC can interchange their position, right? If they are sitting next to each other, they can interchange their position. So again, this can be arranged in 2 ways. So again, the answer here in this case will be 8 factorial into 2. So if we are talking about a specific director, it will be 7 factorial into 2. If a specific director is not mentioned, then 8 factorial into 2. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.